Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue with your lesson number 9 for module 7, helping out. As usual, please get ready with your module and your student's book. Before we start, let's look at the learning objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, pupils must be able to complete sentences with the correct object pronouns and answer questions pertaining to Earth Day correctly. This is a revision taken from Get Smart Plus 4 workbook, page 65 and 66. Now let's do activity 1. Read and complete. Let's look at the answers. 10. Squirrels, metal, plastic, peanuts, jar, and paper. Alright, let's do number 1. You can decorate an owl and make a pencil holder. So which one is the answer? The answer is jar. So we can decorate an old jar to make a pencil holder. Number 2, when you go camping, you sleep in a, this is easy, in a tent. Right, number 3, are small brown or gray animals. They live in forests and parks. And they like, so what are the animals? From the answers, we know that squirrels are the animals. Okay, and then what do they like to eat? They like peanuts. Number 4, we can use old bottles to make new bottles, shoes and clothes. We have learned this in our previous lesson. We can use old plastic bottles. Number 5, don't throw old books in the rubbish bin. We can recycle paper. And the last one, number 6, we can recycle empty metal cans of soft drinks. Let's move on to activity 2. Read and complete. Use the object pronouns me, her, him, it, us, and them. So we have learned this before. Number 1, excuse me, could you help carry these bags? And then the other person respond, of course. So the answer is, could you help me carry these bags? Number 2, look at that squirrel. Where? I can't see. So what is the answer that we can use for animal? Yes, the answer is it. He's very strong. Look at, so you have to refer to the subject. Okay, that's why we will use look at him because the subject is a man. Alright, number 4. Joanna's bags are very heavy. Help, refer to the subject, help her. Okay, because Joanna is a girl. Number 5, do you want some peanuts? No thanks, I don't like them. Them is referring to the peanuts. Number 6, it's dark and we can't see anything. Give us the torch. Why we have to use us? Because the subject is we. That's why we have to use us. Give us the torch, please. Let's proceed with activity 3. So look at the pictures. Picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then let's try to answer. So we have learned this in our previous lesson. Number 1 is in the garden. So can you see anybody here? No one, right? So the first one is no one. No one is in the garden. Number 2, is there anyone in the car? So there is a person here. So we will use, is there anyone in the car? Is there anyone in the car? Alright, number 3. So there are 4 people and they are happy. So of course the answer will be everyone. Everyone is happy. So we have learned this. Everyone means setiap orang. Setiap orang gembira. Number 4. There isn't. So negative statement. So we have to use anything. There isn't anything on the table. And number 5. What is the answer? Something or nothing? Of course, the answer is something. Ada sesuatu. Something is in the tree. Ada sesuatu dekat pokok. Okay? So, complete this in your module. Okay, the last activity for today. Activity 4, read again and answer the question. So, you have to read this. Okay, what do you think people do on Earth Day? Read and find out. Earth Day. So, what is Earth Day? Every year on 22nd April in the city of Toronto and all over Canada, people celebrate Earth Day. It's a time to help the earth. Okay, so let's look at this. Help Toronto become greener and cleaner. Help make Toronto a better place to live. Take part in Earth Day. Okay, so what can you do? A cleanup day. Get together with friends or other people and clean up the city. Pick up rubbish from the street, parks, etc. Don't forget to put bottles, paper and cans into recycling bins so they can do a cleanup day. And then they can plant trees. So we're going to plant more than 1,000 trees in Downsview Park. Come and help make the park greener. Everyone is welcome. Everyone. So look at the word everyone. Setiap orang dijemput. Alright, the next one. Forest walk. Go on a walk with your family and learn about forests. And then the last one. You can make something. What can you make? Use something you don't need to make something new. For example, make a birdhouse from cereal boxes. Okay, so now it is time for us to answer the question. When do Canadians celebrate Earth Day? So when they celebrate Earth Day, the answer is here. Every year on 22nd April. So the answer is Canadians celebrate Earth Day on April 22nd. Number 2. What do people do on cleanup day? So there are many things they can do. So you can choose one of the answer. Okay. So you can write they clean up the city or they pick up rubbish from streets. Number 3. Where are they going to plant 1,000 trees? Here. Okay, the answer is here. In Downsview Park. So the answer is they are going to plant the trees in Downsview Park. Number 4. Can children help on Earth Day? Yes, of course they can. And number 5. What can people make? So the answer from here, okay, the answer is from here, make something. So you can use something, you don't need to make something new, or make a birdhouse from cereal boxes. So you can write, they can make something new from something they don't need, or you can answer, people can make a birdhouse from cereal boxes. It's up to you. Thank you everyone. I believe that is all for today and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.